We're all here. Okay, so today we're back on the Nashville chicken sandwich chase. Uh, there's a burning bird chicken sandwich here. I got some macaroni salad and some coleslaw. We're gonna try this out. See how this is. Um, it's too hot. I have a Bravo here. Please sponsor me. It'll be fucking awesome. Love you guys. My face. But just in case, we got that in the background. So let's start with coleslaw, because that just seems like the best option at this point. If you know, you know. Oh, what's this doing? What's this done with? It's done with fucking, yeah. It's good. It's good. It's not as creamy as I'd like, but oh shit. Where are my manners? I didn't even show you guys kind of like what this looks like, so let's sit down here. Do this. Mac and cheese, everything. This bad boy is sloppy underneath it here. I don't know how I feel about the burger. It smells spicy, so. Okay. Anyway, we're through that. Size macaroni salad. Macaroni salad is really good. Not quite as sweet as the Flirty Bird stuff. Flirty Bird stuff is more like coleslaw in macaroni salad form. I like it though. Oh, yeah. Yes, what are you doing? Oh yeah, dog. She's down there. She's always around. You guys want to see her? You guys want to see the dog? Let's introduce my dog here. Here we go. Ash, say hi to the camera. Come on. What's this? Ash, say hello. Hi. Okay, well, I guess that's all we'll get. Hi. Hi, boo. Okay. Back to this. China does this. Okay. Here we are. Chicken sandwich. Says hot as shit. I don't know. Flirty Bird pretty hot. Let's see where we go from here. This thing looks and smells like an absolute nightmare, and the whole bottom bun is disintegrating. There's just too much sauce on this, but okay. Okay, right away, that's hot. Okay. Oh, that's way hotter than the flavored one. That's not spicy, that's hot. Oh. Oh. This macaroni salad. Fucking. Oh. Okay. Hot. I want one more bite. I'm gonna end this video because I've been told that my videos are running too long. So y'all don't want to see me anymore, huh? Okay. Oh my god. Oh. If you're looking for hot, that's hot. Flirty Bird spicy, really good. Definitely hotter. To eat all this cool stuff, trying to like calm down my throat. Because, you know, okay, so again, I'm not gonna watch me eat all this burning bird chicken sandwich, the hottest one you can get. You gotta pick the hottest motherfucker. Yeah, super hot. This thing is, yes, it's hot. So if you're willing to try it, go for it. If not, I don't understand. I don't know what else to tell you. I don't really even know what's going on here. There's like a coleslaw. I don't know what the spicy sauce is entirely. Didn't really say. I got this from Skip the Dishes, so it didn't go into detail, but yeah, man. Very hot burger, very satisfying. A lot of food. A little expensive, especially if you get it ordered, but no savage here. Oh, keep my shit clean. Put that aside. You all have a good night. That was great. Thank you.